The man speaking is a parent to one of the children who Terry Ray sexually assaulted in 2023. So far, he is among those who have been brave enough to come forward to offer information to the authorities about what happened in 2023.
He's an individual who's in a wheelchair and he's white. So kids are always fascinated about him and he would ideally entertain kids a lot. Entertaining meaning he was always warm to them.
Hiding under the cover of his advanced age, his disability, and his newly bereaved status, Terry Ray, fondly referred to as Guka or Grandpa Terry by the children, was totally unsuspecting to the community here who had no knowledge of his status as a convicted pedophile. That is until one dark day when this man's young daughter was getting dressed by her mother.
That morning she tells the mom, Guka Terry touched my susu.
The child's parents then took her to hospital where the doctor made an observation.
He confirmed that there indeed had been a violation of the child.
Word began to spread around the community about Terry, which uncovered even more disturbing confessions from children to their parents.
When people are not around, when adults are not around, one way or the other he would have kids going to his house. And whether he'd put up, cartoons and things for them. One girl came and said, the Guka Terry has been taking pictures.
The case went to court, where Terry Ray is now facing 7 counts of child sexual offences.
Where is the justice for the first things that put him in court? There are children who had been violated before.
A valid question which many members of the community are pondering over. We reached out to the now retired Justice Momanyi Bonwonga, who gave the ruling that freed Terry Ray back into society in 2022, to find out more about his sentiments surrounding the case.
I've said I'm not aware.
Can I send you the link so that you can have a look?
No.
So you don't want to be aware of the information?
I don't need it.
Why not?
Why should I?
Because it's your judgment that released him back into society, where he then went and assaulted.
That is public property.
Mm-hmm.
That is public property.
Okay, so are you declining to answer because you don't have the information which I've offered to share with you, or are you declining to comment because you don't want to comment?